Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to play YouTube in background on iPhone. Firstly, open the YouTube in a browser. On your iPhone, open Safari, Firefox or Opera or any browser. If Google redirects you to the YouTube app, just type youtube.com directly in the URL bar. Find the video you want to play and in Safari tap the minuscule A Magus. In Safari, just tap the AA icon in the URL bar and select Request Desktop Website. In Firefox or Opera, just tap Options button, 3 dots, and then select Request Desktop Site. Play the video you want to listen to, then press the Home button or swipe up to return to the home screen. The video should continue playing in a floating PIP window. You can move it around or hide it to one side of the screen. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.